I'm Margaret, coming to you from one of my favorite spaces in a local park. It's very gray out today. It's early, not too many people around, but we're going to go visit one of my favorite spaces.
This place has everything: trees, wildlife, sky, snow, water. I've come here during each season in 2025. Spring, when the trees were budding. Summer, when the wildflower meadow was in full bloom and gorgeous. Autumn, when the leaves were falling and the wind was blowing. And now winter. Well, maybe just a week or so shy of winter's official beginning. Each season holds its own beauty. Poets have written so much about spring, summer, and autumn, and winter. For spring, Gerard Manley Hopkins in his spring poem proclaims, "Weeds in wheels shoot long and lovely and lush." A famous summer poem, Shakespeare's Sonnet 18, begins, "Shall I compare thee to a summer's day?" For autumn, Rainer Maria Rilke's Autumn Day poem, "Lord, it is time, the summer was immense. Lay your shadow on the sundials and let loose the winds in the fields. Bid the last fruits to be full." But now, winter is on full blast. Anne Bradstreet writes, "If we had no winter, the spring would not be so pleasant. If we did not sometimes taste of adversity, prosperity would not be so welcome." Yoko Ono writes, "Spring passes and one remembers one's innocence. Summer passes and one remembers one's exuberance. Autumn passes and one remembers one's reverence. Winter passes and one remembers one's perseverance." I like that sentiment. American author John Steinbeck says, "What good is the warmth of summer without the cold of winter to give it sweetness?" In the Bible, the rain and the snow come down from heaven and do not return there without watering the earth. American painter Andrew Wyeth writes, "I prefer winter and fall, when you feel the bone structure of the landscape. Something waits beneath it. The whole story doesn't show." And philosopher Aristotle writes, "To appreciate the beauty of a snowflake, it is necessary to stand out in the cold." That seems pretty straightforward. And the last one is an Italian proverb. "They who sing through the summer must dance in the winter." So it really all boils down to the fact that all seasons are here to enjoy. Each one brings something to the life of the party, or the party of life. I'm so happy to live in a region of the world where we get to experience and appreciate all 4 seasons. If you want to give yourself a treat, find Vivaldi's 4 Seasons violin concertos online and listen to them. They're gorgeous. Do you have a favorite time of year? What specifically do you love about it? Tell me, comment below. And please consider subscribing to the channel. It's free. Thank you.